मी तेजस्वी सुरेश यूट्यूब चॅनल
I'm very impressed.
It is in our life.
The fingerprint machine will
Meeting with us, they share their problems.
India is a developed country, so due to that, those politicians are not good for India. For India development, so that's why India is developing country. But if Indian politician is good, that's time India will become good country as well as richest country in the world. So India has so many population of youth. So with the help of youth, India will become successful in for achieve their goals or things.
Okay, so I am totally appreciating you. So hello friends, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Rutik Tata and today I will speak about that topic. But firstly, I would like to say thanks to the Shingolkar sir that the sir used this golden opportunity to us for speaking. So our topic is that what is the condition of India than other country. So I think our India is a very good country because in our India which thing we get that we cannot get in other any country. If we are thinking such like that our country is good in just a population and not in other anything, so our country is very good such like now we can found that other countries is very good, we think like that their country is building and all that thing is very good, but when someone person get any need and he get someone help, so that time in that country the person doesn't help to that person, but in our India in the night time at a 12 o'clock that time also any person can go to help us, and in our country the which fossil fuels we get that also we cannot get in other country, and also we take various types of food in our country such like all that types of which is important for our body cells means for making our body which food is important that all we take and also we sell that to other country, so that because of that that country cannot take that food in their country because their soil condition is not very good, means that is quality is very low and our country's quality is very good of the soil, means from that we can take various types of food, and in that country we cannot take, and we also know if any condition is good of any country, so without food we cannot do anything because as long as we doesn't get food, so we cannot do anything, we must need of the food, so due to that other country being that it is very good, so also they must get need of the food, and that all thing is used by us, and also our country is doing developing very fastly, and also many changes happening in our country such like building and all the condition of road that is also changing, so means you can say that our country is developing also, and after some years that also will be as compared to other countries, so what can you say about it?
Yes, it is very good, and without food we cannot live, and we transfer so many foods onto other country, and also take so many things from America and Russia. We take many armors for our soldiers. Our Indian army is most good. Much good army for ourselves, and they save our country by their words and skills, and we do so many things to other country which is a neighbor of our, you have many friends about our neighbor, you have a country, Nepal, he is our friend, and Russia also. By the help of both countries we get so many things, and by the help of Russia, we get so many armors from them, and due to this armor, we can quarrel with anything, and support them to our country. They support having any condition from economical condition. Russia help us, and we have many loans that time. They try to complete our country, and they destroy our country by the help of these armors, and that's why other country are very bad for ourselves. They think are very bad without our living life. You want to make our things very positive. That's why you can do many good things for our country. That's why our country develop by day. That's for that we want to make a good person in our life and take so many education about our economical condition, and you want to take so many knowledge about our country also. That's why you can join so many fields of our Indian army and defense academy like India or others. For that, you want to make our things very good and a very high level for joining this. So,
So yes, I am totally appreciate with you. And according to you, India hasn't India hasn't developed in army sector, and in the army sector, India has so many enemies like China as well as Pakistan. So due to that, India want increase in army sector. So due to that, India takes so many help from Russia as well as Germany, France, Italy. So those countries are doing help in the during pandemic time. India takes help from those countries, so that way India will become successful to achieve their goal in the military sector as well as in the security sector. India will become their goal, and according to survey, our India is well developed in everything because our Indian agriculture sector, our Indian pharmacy sector, all sectors are very good according to surveys. So due to that, this is right because Indian all sectors are very great, and due to with the help of those sectors, India will become successful in the future, and India is going to progress in the future. So that's why so many advantages because India isn't a landlocked country. India has so many oceans India nearby so many oceans. And due to those oceans do so many things, and this is the one advantages of India because India has not one landlocked land. So due to that, India has so many forces like air force and military as well as ship transport export force. So those force gives advantage to India progress, and in Asia continent, India is second developed country after China, and China is developed due to Chinese politicals are very good than Indian, and when so what can I say?
Okay, so I am totally appreciative with you. As you all know, in our country, India, many people would do farming. So due to that, now our countries we can understand from the name of the farming. So when any country get need of any types of goods, so from that we can supply from our country food to other country. And as before also I told that the food is most important. So due to that all country get need to make relation with us. So what can we do? So according, so I think.